Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Basecamp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you update or change your profile photo in your Basecamp? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your profile photo in Basecamp anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you're probably working with a lot of different VAs or assistants, and you want to be sure to have a professional photo because that's what they're going to see in your Basecamp. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Basecamp dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Basecamp, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to update your profile photo, here on the top right, you're going to click on the little circle icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this line right here, profile password 2A. All right, once you do that, you're going to click on this button here, upload a photo. Once you've chosen the photo, it's going to automatically update, and then you're going to click on this green button here at the bottom, save my changes. Okay, you should see this pop up. Great, we got those edits. So now anybody who looks at my profile in my Basecamp, they're going to see my profile photo right here of tacos. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to update or change your profile photo in Basecamp, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.